Flexible COB LED strip is a strip customized according to non-standard sizes and shapes. It is usually integrated with LED light sources on flexible circuit board and packaged with high brightness reflective materials. Flexible COB LED strip have the characteristics of being lightweight, soft, bendable, and customizable. They are commonly used in decoration, lighting, advertising, etc. occasions, and can adapt to various complex environments and curved installation requirements. 1. Excellent brightness. Due to the tight arrangement of LED chips, COB LED strips can generate powerful and concentrated light output, making them very suitable for applications that require high brightness lighting. 2. Uniform lighting. The tight arrangement of LED chips in COB strips ensures uniform distribution of light, eliminating common black spots or uneven lighting problems in traditional LED strips. 3. Energy saving and efficient. COB strips have impressive energy efficiency, provide bright lighting effects with less power consumption, which not only reduces energy costs but also contributes to environmental protection. 4. Multifunctionality. COB strips can custom variety of colors, color temperatures, and brightness options, suitable for different lighting applications. 5. Long lifespan. COB strips are designed to have a longer lifespan. With proper use and maintenance, its lifespan can reach up to 50,000 hours, reduce the need for frequent replacement. 6. Linear luminescence, uniform and continuous, without visible light spots, wider application range, stronger adaptability, and better effect. In short, the lightweight, soft, and bendable characteristics of flexible COB LED strips make them suitable for various fields. Our custom flexible COB LED strips can be customized length, width, and colors combination etc. according to the project. Welcome your custom flexible COB LED strips requirements. Come and consult your project now.